everybody? Welcome back to Hands On with BLG, back in the kitchen. Gonna do something quick and easy. Everybody, all of you guys can do this. Hi, I'm Roddy. Hit like and subscribe. Yes, I would appreciate it, and so would everybody else. Lefty and BLG and the mama, LEG the mama, and the Dingo and Sheila. Anyway, check this shit out. I'm gonna do something easy. These are Johnsonville Better Cheddar Double Cheddar sausages, right? I'm going to show you how to make a sausage chili dog. Sausage and cheese chili dog. You chuck these bitches up in here like this. I got this turned up to 7, right? You chuck your sausages up in here. No oil, no nothing. Chuck them up in there, right? Back here, oh, come on, Sheila. Back here, whoosh, I have Great Value chili with beans. This is good stuff. I don't need to do a review. Hormel chili with beans, same shit, basically. So we're just going to cook these up. BLG, you're going to need hot dog buns. You just wait a minute for that. Okay? Well, I'll show you what we're doing here. I'm going to cook all this up. This is going to get hot. And then we're going to go over there. I want to make my version of a chili cheese dog. And it's going to be great. Is it? Yeah, look at that. Okay, folks. Well, up here, they're damn near done. They are cooking down. In the skillet, the dogs are cooking down. They're getting all scorched up nice. Cheers, by the way. And I'll see you right back here. I'm going to say in about maybe 1 minute. The chili's done. The dogs are smelling great. They're just about done. Oh, by the way, it's going to be, I think they're saying 18 degrees tonight. 60 degrees or something. 67. I've been feeding the wood stove on and off all day. I got it to 67. Never ran the wood burning stove over there. Or the wood burning. I never ran the electric fireplace in the great room here in the kitchen. I've got 2 going. One in my studio in there, my man cave, and one in the bar. The bar is shut off now. We're still holding 67. It's supposed to be 18 degrees at around 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. I'm going to be up by then. Screw you, winter. And cold ass weather. I'll be right back. Let's set this up. Okay, guys, a proper chili cheese dog is on the way. Ready? First thing you do is you take one of your. Look at this thing. Look at the beauty of this thing. Little scorching. You open, not a hot dog bun. No. You open a sub sandwich bun. You found on sale at Walmart. You see, you watch this. You'll see. You put a dog in there. Just like that. You see that dog up in there? All right. I'm going to take these others out of the skillet so they don't burn too much. I'm going to put them on a plate to the side for LEG the mama and me for tomorrow. But for tonight, this shall feed me. All right? Now, you want the chili? You want the chili? On your chili cheese dog? No. You get the sub sandwich roll. Now, you get the chili up in here. You see what I'm talking about? Oh, God. It tipped over. That's fine. Look at all this chili coming up on in here. See all that? One more. You know why? Because I can. That's right. Hit that like and subscribe, like I said. Now, oh, but what What about the cheese, BLG? Come on, man. You think I'm going to leave you hanging? Look at this shit up in here. I don't have any onions chopped up, or I'd use some onion too. But if I can get this bag to open, you throw your cheese up in here. Look at all this cheese you can fit in this bitch. Right? Pack that in your sub sandwich roll and squish that son of a bitch together. You tell me that is inferior to your little chili cheese dog, like your little Coney Island dogs and all that shit. You tell me that's inferior to what you're getting. You're going to like the Dairy Queen or any place that does like Coney dogs and shit like that. This has way more chili. It still has a dog. It's got way more cheese. It's going to fill you up on one. Thank you. Thank you. Peace out, people. That's all I'm going to say. Just peace out. All right? We're going to stay warm in this cold weather. You do this. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around